all, I do want to put it on record that even today, which is to say about a week after the party announced our expulsion, I have not yet received any expulsion order from the party. It is in the media, there is a press release which announces it, but so far I have not received any communication which says that I have been expelled from the party, which gives reasons, and which says it is an order of the National Disciplinary Committee or whatever they want to call it. So I'm surprised.
Sir,
Yeah.
but once a party exactly, Prashant Bhushan speaks everything in front of camera.
The party, I do not know if the party has taken a decision, because some leaders, some members of the party are claiming that they are the party. There is some minimum protocol to be followed, and as we have repeatedly said, that protocol has not been followed. So it is completely unconstitutional and illegal. However, we don't want to get into this illegal dispute. We want to focus on our positive work. Swaraj Abhiyan is that positive, constructive work. Why did we come to this movement? Why did we form Aam Aadmi Party? We did so in order to change the nature of politics, not only to succeed somehow in the way others are succeeding. We came here to change the discourse. We came here to change the character of politics. And we are continuing with that mission. We may have been side-stepped, we may have been distracted in that search, but we are going around to say, let us continue with that spirit of the original mission. So Swaraj Abhiyan is a way of reigniting, remembering and continuing with the original mission
Sir, but
of the party.
How Yogendra Yadav ji, as an intellectual, works with the party after all these proceedings which have happened within last month? Because the party workers and the party members are exactly tells in front of the camera that we have expelled the people, these both. But you still want to work with the party. Why?
Some party leaders who say that there is a National Disciplinary Committee have taken a decision. It's up to them. We don't want to waste our energy. As for party volunteers, you will get to see what party volunteers think and say. Unfortunately, in this entire process, the party volunteers have not had much of a say. And when we invited party volunteers in Gurgaon, they actually spoke in a very different voice. So I really wish the party could consult the party volunteers. I would just say, in the name of the party, only a group, someone would say coterie, is taking decisions in the name of the party.
So you with Arvind Kejriwal now, there is no dispute in between you and Arvind Kejriwal.
There never was a personal dispute, there never was an ego problem, there never was a power struggle. This, at least from our side, this has never been the case. There have been certain principled questions that we have been raising for more than 1 year. Earlier, our questions were heard, but they were not answered. As soon as Delhi election results came out, they said, you have been asking these questions, get out. It's all right.
So then Muji and Prashant Bhushan, they never said that we want to go out of the party. They never said. But Arvind Kejriwal somewhere, and some of the party workers says directly that they are out of the party. Then why this drama happened within party? The people who voted you, they are not happy with the party. What is happening inside in the party?
You have a very good question. Why has all this taken place? It is just that you are asking this question to the wrong person. You should be asking it to those who did it. Prashant Bhushan and I never said we cannot work with Arvind Kejriwal. It is Arvind Bhai who said, I cannot work with these people. Either have them or me. So you should be asking the question to them, not to me. If I drag you out of this room, and if someone asks you, why have you come out of the room? You would say, I did not do it. So if I'm dragging you out, the question should be asked to me as to why I'm doing it.
So still Yogendra Yadav ji is a common party worker.
I do not know. It is for the party to decide. For me, I continue to be in that mission. Honestly, I do not want to waste any more of my time and the time of all the workers, volunteers, in deciding these legal questions of who is inside, who is outside. What difference does it make? We came here for a mission. The mission must continue, whatever the label.
Does this mission becomes another party?
Swaraj Abhiyan is an attempt to take forward that original mission of which turned into Aam Aadmi Party. The mission was to create an alternative politics at a national level. The mission was to have a party.
Politics in the sense?
The mission was to have an alternative politics. The mission was to have a political organization which would be truly democratic. The mission was to have politics which conforms to moral standards. We want to continue with that mission. We have said quite clearly that creating yet another political party is not something which the people of the country want. People are tired. There has been a lot of disappointment and dejection with what has been happening in this new politics. And our first task is to somehow retain those volunteers who came in this mission for the first time in their life. Thousands and thousands of volunteers came to politics and public life for the first time in their life. This was a national asset. Today that national asset is going waste. It is our duty to preserve it, to retain it for the country. Once we do so, once we are able to retain that energy, once we are able to have new energy, once we have new ideas and models, we will sit down again and then decide how to carry it forward. Yeah?
Sir, another one question. Your law minister, Aam Aadmi Party's law minister and Delhi law minister, court says that he don't have the legal certificates of law, that he didn't complete law.
If you would recall, this was one of the questions that Prashant ji and I had raised. We had demanded an inquiry into this very case about a month and a half ago. Now that the facts have come in public domain, I do hope that the Aam Aadmi Party will live up to the moral standards that it had proclaimed that it would do. But once again, allow me to say, I will not waste my energy in criticizing this Aam Aadmi Party of Delhi and their government. Let them do some good work. The country is a vast field. Aam Aadmi Party has at the moment just put a small handkerchief there. I will not waste my energy in pointing out spots in that handkerchief. There is so much to be cleaned in the rest of the country. We would do that.
Sir, हरियाणा के कृषि मंत्री ये बयान देते हैं, उन्होंने कहते हैं कि जो भी कृषिकार जो भी अपना जान निकाल लेता है वो कमज़ोर है. आपके रैली चल रही थी जंतर मंतर में, वहाँ पे आता है फार्मर आके वहाँ पे फांसी डाल के मर जाता है. इस बयान को लेकर उन्होंने ऐसे बयान देते हैं कि जो भी मरते हैं फार्मर्स वो कमज़ोर हैं.
ये पहली बार नहीं, शायद पांचवी छठी बार है कि किसी राजनेता ने किसानों के बारे में इतना संवेदनहीनता का बयान दिया है. मैं समझता हूं पूरे देश की राजनीति किसान के सवाल पे इतनी संवेदन शून्य होती जा रही है कि हमें सिर्फ एक व्यक्ति का नाम लेने की बजाय पूरी राजनीति में किसान का सवाल वापस कैसे आए इसका प्रयास करना चाहिए. और स्वराज अभियान में हम ये प्रयास करेंगे कि किसान का सवाल देश की राजनीति का बड़ा सवाल बने. हम कुछ सकारात्मक करना चाहते हैं, केवल दूसरे राजनेताओं की आलोचना करना हमारा काम नहीं है.
सर, आपको नहीं लगता कि नेपाल में इतना बड़ा एक कम हुआ है। इस टाइम पे जो अपना केंद्र सरकार है वो जिस तरीके से हेल्प करना था उसको छोड़ के ये अपना जो भी मीडिया के सामने आके अपना प्रचार कर रहे हैं।
मैं शायद ठीक ढंग से इस पे जवाब नहीं दे पाऊंगा क्योंकि पूरे तथ्य मेरे पास नहीं है, मगर मेरा सचमुच ये मानना है कि जब इतनी बड़ी ह्यूमन ट्रेजेडी है उस वक्त कोई अपना प्रचार करे या कोई उनके प्रचार की आलोचना करे, ये दोनों डिस्ट्रैक्शंस हैं। ये सब नहीं करना चाहिए हमें। उस काम पे आप अभी नेपाल में और भारत में भी हजारों लाखों लोग इस टाइम एक बहुत बड़ी दुविधा में फंसे हैं। सारा ध्यान केवल उनको मदद करने पे होना चाहिए। हम आप जो बात कर रहे हैं वो इसमें प्रासंगिक नहीं है। ठीक है, थैंक यू।
खबरों की दुनिया में आइए, हमारे साथ कहीं भी और कभी भी जुड़िए। हम मिलेंगे फेसबुक पर, हम दिखेंगे यूट्यूब पर, हमें फॉलो कीजिए ट्विटर पर। खबरों के साथ बने रहिए रात दिन।